This is going to be just a quick little tip on putting these little eyelets in. This is kind of one of them old timer tips that kind of gets passed down from whoever showed you 1,000 years ago or whatever, when you were a kid or whatever have you. Alright, we can make life hard for ourselves and just try to put this in there, and that's kind of difficult. So one thing we can do is put in an old pair of vice grips, and that makes it a bit easier to put some pressure in towards it and turn her in. But still not easy, and chances are it's just going to piss you off and yada yada yada. According to an old timer that showed me, or maybe my dad or grandfather said, who knows, someone, drill a hole, and then we can take our fun little vice gripped, where'd my hole go? Oh, there we go. We just stuff her in there, and now she's easy to turn. If you're not holding a camera, it's a little bit easier. But now you don't got to push as easy, or, well, as hard. Now it's easy. So you should just threads right in there, if I can focus. There we go. There you have it. Now there's one other thing to make this kind of fun. You get that started. Then we step over to our drill. Take our little bit out, and a note on this bit, you don't want it to be too big. You want it, even maybe half the size. It might not be quite right, but I would say half the size will work. Now we take another eyelet, something like this, or just open up the eye on the one you got, and we stuff that in there. We tighten her up. And then once we got our eyelet started, we can hook that in there, go to China. There you go. Or you can even use this to take them out. There you go. Have fun. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If and you like it, check out the rest of my videos, and I think this is where people say to subscribe. To be honest, I'm not really quite sure just yet. Really, I'm just having fun learning how to make videos and how to edit them, and it really gets me finishing my own projects. If you have tips to share, or you have things you'd be interested in seeing a video made on, just let me know that down in the comments or something like that. Now, I'm not claiming to be a professional at anything for sure. I'm just enjoying sharing stuff and trying to pass down some of the stuff that old timers have showed me over the years and things like that. So get out there, enjoy life, build stuff, and thanks for watching.